everybody, it's Alicia, and Alicia Handles It with another video. Here to show you today how to accomplish a fishtail braid. If you wake up and just got an event really quick that you didn't know about, and they're calling you like, hey, come out, let's go. And this is what you're looking like. Straight out the bed. And that's looking kind of neat in the front. But anyway, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone that's subscribed. And anyone that's clicking on my video for the first time, I hope you stay. I hope you press subscribe, because we'll be throwing out a lot of videos about hacks and stuff about, I know. But anyway, about this fishtail braid, I learned this while I was in hair school. And before I went to hair school, I never heard about a fishtail braid. And when the teacher did it at first, I was like, whoa, that's so pretty, right? But I know you guys, my videos are really about, you know, just getting to the point, showing you simple stuff so you could accomplish and not be like, oh, well, I need to probably watch the video again because I didn't get it. Well, I understand that, but I mean, hopefully when you watch this video, you get it on the first try, because it's sunk in and I did it so easily that you remembered. So now, all you're going to need is a water bottle. Say, for instance, they called you and you got invited to a wedding. Last minute, yeah. Hope maybe it was in Vegas. Who knows? Say you went to a wedding. You're going to a wedding. This can be dressed up, elevated, or it can be dressed down for like a cookout, going to the bar or whatever. Or you can go to a wedding, a baby shower, a bridal shower, whatever. So basically what I'm going to do is, I'm about to like be out the camera a little bit, so bear with me. But I'm going to just show you guys how to do this. And so I have my water bottle. I sprayed me down. Obviously, if I had this wig on, I would have sprayed it down with a little bit of setting lotion, molded it a little bit, tied it down for about 10 minutes because I don't have much time. And maybe whoever's going to this little event doesn't have much time either, right? So we brush it down, get everything intact. And yeah, this is a wig that I made, like I said, last year. This is actually the wig that I did the banding for you guys. But this wig, I used bundles from another wig and made this wig with the closure. When this wig was first made, it was like a full frontal. I cut the tracks off. And yeah, so this here is from AliExpress. And I think it was Hot Love. And to me, it's still going strong and looking good. Anyway, let's get into the video. Stop wasting time with this. I will part it. Get this out of my way. Here we go. So what I'll do is I'll grab the hair, put it together. And we're about to start a fishtail braid. All right, guys. So what you're going to do is you grab your hair, and with a fishtail braid, you only need 2. You know how with a regular braid, we use 3? With this, it's only 2. Now, so what you do is go out from the edge, bring it over. Take it from this edge, bring it over. Take it all the way from the edge, bring it over. And just keep doing the same thing. And you can just use the tip of your fingers. And the less hair you take out is the more dramatic it will look. Even if you take out more hair, it still will look nice. it will have a more fluffy, bouncy look. This is coming along great. If you guys can see, I always end up with 2 pieces of hair in my hand, not 3. So what you keep doing is, it's 2. Go in the corner, bring it over to the second part. Go in the corner, bring it over to this part. Go in the corner, bring it over to this part. And keep going, doing the same thing. It's like music. Eventually, it will be like music. You just use your index finger, grab the corner of the hair, and bring it over. And like I said, this style is beautiful for a bride. This is beautiful if you're the family of the bride and you're attending the wedding for the bridesmaids. See how it's just going like in, it gets easy. So like the moral of it is, it's always 2. Go in the corner, come over. In the corner, come over. In the corner, come over. Look at this, guys. Do you guys see the move already? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the angle of the camera a little bit better so you guys can see what's going on, and I'll be back. But you can see what the fishtail braid entails already. What it's looking like. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I've been going along a little bit, and like I said before, it's always about 2 braids or 2, I don't know what you call these, 2 pixies or something. But you see how it's coming out? And you just take from the end, and it really doesn't matter. The ends, the pieces that you take out, they don't always have to match up perfectly, because this is like a, you know, a Bohemic style. It doesn't have to be perfect. So you see how this is now? You just go to this end, pick that up, bring it over. Go to this end, pick that up, bring it over. Still 2. Go to this end, pick that up, bring it over. This end, pick that up, 2. This end, pick that up, 2. This end, pick that up, 2. This end, pick that up, bring 2. This end, pick that up, 2. This end, pick that up, 2. So you guys get it? Because I feel like a broken record now. But yeah, this is basically it. Do you guys get the hang of it? Leave a comment below and let me know if you got it on the first try. 2 braids. So it's like an X. So you're like making an X if you got this far in the video and you want to learn. It's an X. So we're like this in an X. Come back, make an X. Take it from the end, make an X. See, guys? Take it from the end, make an X. Take it from the end, make an X. I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to finish this side, and I'm going to start the other side, and keep showing you guys the technique, but I feel like you guys should have the technique already. 2, take from the end, make an X. 2, take from the end, make an X. And like I said, each side that you pick up, it doesn't have to be so perfect. And even if you feel like you went too heavy on one side, you just go to the very end at the back of it, bring it over. And I'll be back to show you guys what's going on next. Look how beautiful. Okay, now this is the finished result of this braid. And if you guys looked closely at the very end, like right there, that much, I put like regular braid from like there to there. You guys see the difference from like here and here? This is regular braided. And from here up on up, it's a fish braid. And usually what we do sometimes with fish braid, you can pull them open and give it a more gilded look like the Met Gala. Who was your favorite at the Met Gala? Leave a comment below and let me know. Honestly, my favorite at the Met Gala, and my niece was like, why, auntie? And I'm like, because that's how I would dress. Gwen Stefani's outfit. Mwah. Loved it. But anyway, let's get back here and do this. I want to say second best. I didn't see everybody's outfit, but second best to me, I'm not going to lie. I want to say Normani. Only thing, it was kind of weird in the waist part, but like the whole concept of it was like weird but good. Weird but good. But Gwen Stefani, my top pick. Rihanna wasn't there, but you already know that. So as you can see, guys, I've been going and I'm almost at the end. But what I wanted to show you guys, you see how one side is really thicker than the other? This side's thicker than this side. It really doesn't matter. All you do is take up a little thicker piece from that side and it's okay.